Home remodeling is more than just updating a space. It's about improving how your home feels, functions, and fits your lifestyle. In Texarkana, homeowners looking for dependable craftsmanship and honest service consistently turn to 3Masters Woodworks LLC. Built on skill, integrity, and attention to detail, this company has earned the trust of local families who want remodeling done right the first time. A reputation built on craftsmanship. One of the main reasons homeowners trust 3Masters Woodworks LLC is the quality of their work. Every project, whether it's a kitchen remodel, custom cabinetry, or a full home renovation, is approached with precision and care. Their team understands that details matter, from clean lines and sturdy materials to finishes that stand the test of time. Instead of rushing through jobs, they focus on craftsmanship that adds long-term value to your home. Many Texarkana homeowners appreciate that 3Masters Woodworks doesn't rely on shortcuts. They use proven techniques and durable materials to ensure results that look great and perform well for years. This commitment to quality is evident in every completed project. Customer-first approach from start to finished remodeling can feel overwhelming, but 3Masters Woodworks LLC makes the process straightforward and stress-free. From the first consultation, they take time to listen to homeowners' goals, preferences, and budgets. Rather than pushing one-size-fits-all solutions, they tailor each project to the client's vision. Clear communication is a major reason customers feel confident working with them. Homeowners are kept informed at every stage: design, scheduling, and construction, so there are no surprises. Questions are answered honestly, timelines are realistic, and expectations are clearly set from day one. Local knowledge that makes a difference. As a company serving the Texarkana area, 3Masters Woodworks LLC understands local homes, styles, and needs. This local experience allows them to recommend designs and materials that work well with the region's climate and architectural preferences. Whether it's updating an older home or enhancing a newer one, their familiarity with local standards helps projects run smoothly. Being local also means accountability. Homeowners know they're working with a business that values its reputation in the community and stands behind its work long after the project is complete. Versatility across remodeling projects. Another reason homeowners trust 3Masters Woodworks LLC is their versatility. They handle a wide range of remodeling services, including kitchens, bathrooms, custom woodwork, built-ins, and general home improvements. This allows clients to work with one reliable contractor instead of juggling multiple companies. Their ability to combine functionality with aesthetics ensures spaces are not only beautiful but practical for everyday living. Custom solutions are designed to maximize space, improve organization, and reflect each homeowner's personal style. Reliability. You can count on. Trust is built on reliability, and 3Masters Woodworks LLC consistently delivers. Projects are completed on schedule, workspaces are kept as clean as possible, and respect for the homeowner's property is always a priority. This professionalism gives homeowners peace of mind throughout the remodeling process. Many clients return for additional projects or recommend the company to friends and family, a strong sign of satisfaction and trust. A remodeling partner you can feel confident in. For homeowners in Texarkana, choosing a remodeling company isn't just about finding someone who can do the work. It's about finding a partner who cares about the outcome as much as they do. With skilled craftsmanship, honest communication, and a true customer-first mindset, 3Masters Woodworks LLC has become a trusted name in quality remodeling. When homeowners want results they can be proud of, they know they can rely on 3Masters Woodworks LLC to bring their vision to life with care, precision, and lasting quality.